Located in southern Brazil, IRATI Energy is an oil shale company with over 2 billion barrels of oil potential. Its land base exceeds 600 square kilometers of extensively drilled property with 2,380 holes totaling depths of over 86,000 meters. Based on the vast quantity of historic drilling today, IRATI Energy has designed the first project site that will produce 25,000 barrels of oil per day, supplying the plant with over 30 years of resources from 5 oil-bearing mines. The IRATI Basin has produced oil from shale for over 30 years, with a commercial plant located less than 40 kilometers from IRATI Energy's property. All infrastructure is already in place, including major highways, rail spurs, and power lines crossing the property, with nearby international ports and a well-developed network of independent oil distributors. IRATI Energy is ready for future production. At the mine site, topsoil and clay are removed by dozers and truck and shovel, exposing rock. Explosives are deployed to assist in extraction. Trucks and shovels are then used to remove the overburden, exposing the first layer of oil shale. Oil shale is gathered and crushed by a mobile crusher at the mine site and then conveyed to the processing plant. The trucks and shovels then remove the interburden layer of material, exposing the second layer of oil shale. Again, the oil shale is gathered, crushed, and conveyed to the processing plant, where it is sent to stockpiles. The crushed oil shale rock arrives at the plant from the mine transported by conveyor. The oil shale is crushed and screened again. An ideal mix of oil shale is then sent to the top of a vertical shaft retort, where the oil-producing process begins. In the retort unit, oil shale is heated up to 500 degrees Celsius by burning gases created by the retorting process itself. At these high temperatures, pyrolysis occurs and organic matter in the shale, called kerogen, converts to oil, gas, sulfur, and LPG. The remaining rock not converted to oil, called spent shale, falls from the retort at 110 degrees Celsius after being cooled with water and gas inside the retort. This spent shale is then returned to the mine along with other shale fine. The spent shale and fine that are returned to the mine are placed over the piles of interburden and overburden, returning most of the original rock back into the ground. Then, topsoil is placed on top, restoring the landscape to its original form. Trees are then planted to facilitate reclamation, which occurs at a rapid rate of 6 to 7 years due to Brazil's ideal climate. Local distributors pick up products from the plant and sell them at premium prices to undersupplied Brazilian markets. Byproducts produced, such as sulfur and LPG, are also in high demand and sell well to local markets. From its first project site alone, IRATI Energy will produce more than 25,000 barrels of oil per day by building a plant with 8 retorts. Over time, additional project sites likely exist on the property, offering the potential for much greater oil production volumes. In summary, IRATI Energy has a large drilled oil shale deposit and will use a proven process to produce greater than 25,000 barrels of oil per day, all located in a mature basin that has produced for over 3 decades with a local market that pays a premium to world prices for oil today. 2 billion barrels of oil potential lies here. This is IRATI Energy.